we're going to get into libraries. And I'm going to talk about the next couple of slides interchangeably, but things are really broken down into one of two pieces. You have templates, which really serve as a start point for anything you do. And then you have the content center, which I'll get to in the next slide, but that's going to be talking a little bit more about standard purchase parts. I like to think of templates as complex as you want them to be, but also as simple as you need them to be. I've got a picture up here that shows just the standard kind of templates that come with Inventor, but you can really expand upon these. I've seen these being used in the sense of, hey, if I've got to start a SA36 plate, I just have a plate template in there that my team can start from. Already has the properties built, the information's already set up, so they can just change some parameters and it updates the drawing that's associated with it, right? So it's a nice, easy way of starting something. Or you can get as complex as I have a specific assembly that I need to use on every single project that I have, but it's really only they can get up, flanges, some piping, maybe some different fittings and things on it. I can create a template for that anybody at the team can go ahead and start from that, make some changes, and it's already being saved off as its own unique instance. So I would really start thinking about what you have that's frequently used across a group and look at building really templates for those. You can create drawing packages, you can create drawing pages, you can really start expanding out all these areas for templates. It's about speeding up your design, making sure everybody's working the same way and improving that quality. In other areas, establishing standards for your designs, make sure you have those business related properties. You can put those in there, measurement standards. Again, it's all being controlled through the templates. And then the same thing with the naming conventions. You can store it all through the templates. So use templates, expand on those. Don't just stick with the out of the box. And again, if that's an area that you think you should use some help with, you can always reach out to us.